Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can voice type in your Samsung Notes on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first, let's go back to your home screen and tap on the home button, and then swipe up to go into app screen. In your app screen, tap on Samsung Notes. Once it has opened, you want to open up the note that you would like to edit, and then tap on the edit button to go into editing mode. And to begin voice typing, you want to go to the toolbar and tap on the microphone button right here. Now, if you do not see the microphone button appear in your toolbar, then you need to turn it on in the settings. So you can swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on general management, and then tap on keyboard list and default. Go in here and tap on Samsung voice input. Tap on that to turn it on. And if you like to use Google voice typing instead, you can turn on Google voice typing and turn off Samsung voice input. So make sure voice typing or voice input is switched on. Then we're going to go back to your note. In your note, once you turn on, you should be able to see the microphone button appears in the toolbar above your keyboard. And to begin, just tap on the microphone button. This is a test. This is voice typing, full stop. And you can tap on the microphone to pause, and you can see here it will write what I dictate. And that's it. So that's how you can perform voice typing in your Samsung Notes on the Galaxy S21 series. Now in here you can also choose a language. You can tap on the settings button, and then you can choose the keyboard language, the voice input language. So if you speak in another language other than English, then in here you can tap on it to choose a different language. Now depending on the voice input type that you use, you can see with this one here, with this keyboard language, the only voice input available is English US. So at the moment, Samsung does not allow any other language, but if you are using Google Voice instead of Samsung, then you could choose a different language. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.